Understanding In the Red, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, in the red. This idiom is commonly used in finance but also appears in everyday conversation. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily English. Stay tuned. In the red refers to a financial situation where expenses exceed revenues, resulting in a deficit or loss. Originally, it comes from the practice of using red ink to indicate a loss in financial statements. When a company or individual is in the red, it means they are losing money or operating at a loss. The phrase, in the red, dates back to the early 20th century, when accountants used black ink to denote positive amounts and red ink for negative amounts in their ledgers. Being in the red thus visually represented a negative balance or financial shortfall. 1. Personal finance. I can't afford to go on vacation this year. My bank account is in the red. 2. Business context. Our company has been in the red for 2 quarters, so we need to rethink our strategy. 3. Metaphorical use. After staying up all night studying, I'm really in the red on sleep. Financial discussions. It's most appropriate in conversations about finance and budgeting. Casual conversation can be used metaphorically to describe any situation where there is a deficit or shortfall. Caution. Avoid using it in formal writing or in contexts where the listener may not be familiar with English idioms. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, in the red. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this idiom confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is a window to culture, and idioms like these make learning English exciting and fun. See you in our next video, and keep practicing.